Hello, this is Beth Stowers, and I wanted to make a quick video on how you can do some on-page SEO to set up your blog or your website for a very good foundation when you are looking to get free traffic to your site. So I want to start off with some basics. We're in the back office of my WordPress site, and this is a post. This is the same post where you find this video, and it's about SEO basics. Now, the keyword that I'm using is SEO basics. And what I did was first things first, I put that in my title. This is my permalink. This is what my what the post title will be. It'll be bethstowers.com/SEO-basics. So that'll be in the title. So first things first, you want to make sure that the keyword that you're shooting for is in the title of your blog post. Next, this right here is the post text that I'm working on, and I start off my post with, a few sentences about SEO basics. I start off the sentence with my keyword SEO basics, and then as we scroll down, the very first thing I have is an H1 header. And on a WordPress blog, you have options right here on the left to make different size headers. When you are doing SEO on your blog post, which stands for search engine optimization, by the way, which means you want to optimize your blog or website for the search engines so it can rank highly for keywords that people are searching for. Anyhow, in WordPress you have three different headers. You have a heading 1, a heading 2, and heading 3, and you want to make sure that you get your keyword into each one of these. So what I've started off with here, this is a heading 1 sentence, and I have my keyword right here, SEO basics, and then we scroll down and I have SEO basics in some of my text, for example right here, and then we have a heading 2, and I have SEO basics right here. So I've done the 1 and 2, which is what Google loves and will help them to rank your site. And then I have SEO basics sprinkled in here with my text. Now, one thing I've also done that really helps to rank you in the search engines is I put an image, and my image is called SEO basics.jpg, and in the alt text I did SEO basics image. So it's very important to have that image, and Google can pull that for images, and it can rank high, and people can come to your website based on this image. So as we scroll down, I have some more text and some more text with SEO basics in my post. And then the very last thing that I've done is I used a heading 3 sentence right here, and I have SEO basics here. Now, one thing I want to go over really quickly also is, oh, you know what? You are probably wondering what the heck this is over on the right-hand side. Maybe you are, maybe you aren't. Anyways, I have a plugin. It's called SEO Presser, and it helps me to kind of keep track of what I'm doing with my keywords. And as I incorporate my keywords into my blog post, it gives me a check to let me know that it's there. For example, I have an H1 tag, which is in my heading 1 sentence at the very top here. And then it has another check. You have you have H2 tag containing your keyword, which is right here with a big black thing right here. And then you have H3 tag, and so forth and so forth. So SEO Presser is really great, and it can really help you with your search engine optimization efforts online. I would recommend you get it. It's about $97. You don't have to have it. You can do this stuff on your own, just whatever you want to do. So now as we go down, some things that you can do with your website or your blog is you have a title tag, and you have the meta description. And the title tag, when people are searching for your site, and let's say someone is on Google and they are looking up SEO basics, then my site will come up in Google, and this custom title tag will be the title. Let me show you real quick. I think I'll just look up SEO tips in Google. This right here, the blue here at the very top, the blue here at the very top, that is the title tag, or right there, that you wanna try to do. Now what Google does I looked up SEO tips, and they highlight everything in the title tag, so it helps to stand out for people who are searching your site. So you want to make sure that it's in your custom title tag. You can set up, so when someone looks up SEO basics, it's going to be highlighted just like this SEO tips is when people are looking on the page for content to look at. Also, my meta description, I wrote down SEO basics are simple to do. Learn how to help your blog or website rank high in the search engines with SEO basics, so I repeated it twice, and get more online traffic. So what I do with my meta description, the custom title tag and the meta description have nothing to do with helping you to rank in the search engines, but what it has to do is when people are looking in the searches, any keywords you have in your meta description, which is this black text right here, is the meta description that this person did. This black text right here is the meta description. The SEO tips is bolded in black, and then the SEO tips is bolded in blue. So the custom title tag is here, and the meta description is right here. And it really just helps people to be attracted to your site and to want to click on there. And so in your meta description, you want to make sure that you use a little bit of language to help people, help their curiosity or solve a problem that they might have, or give them a solution or whatever. So this stuff is really, really helpful right here into getting people on your blog. Some useful plugins, I actually use the Thesis theme, and the Thesis theme incorporates this, helps me to do the title tag and the meta description. But you can check out the all-in-one SEO pack plugin or the Platinum SEO plugin, and those are free, and you can install those onto your WordPress blog. So those will help you have a nice custom title tag and a meta description to get people to click on your site when it ranks in the search engines. So one last thing, I want to give you a little secret about something that I learned. Most people who are talking about search engine optimization will tell you to use meta keywords, and Thesis still has it in here, but meta keywords those do not help you to rank in the Google search engines. I think Yahoo might use those words to to kind of see what your site is about and so forth, but despite what everybody is teaching, meta keywords do not help you to rank in the search engines. And I actually found this out through I was doing a course with Randy Fishkin at SEO Moz, and it just doesn't help. So you can use meta keywords in your in your blog post if you want to, but the only thing it's going to be helpful for is helping your competitors to look at the code on your site, or even on your website, to see which keywords you're ranking for, and that's really all it will help with. So just don't worry about those. Okay, and so that's about it. So what I want to do is take you over and show you what my page looks like. This is my page, and I just published it. And so it has, this is the title. It has SEO basics in here, and then my domain, my URL has SEO basics. Here's my heading 1, or my H1 tag that has the keyword. And what I did, one thing that helps in the search engines, you might hear my kids in the background, sorry. Anyways, one thing that they do with the search engines is so throughout my post, I have SEO basics sprinkled in. I have it in bold, and I have it italicized right here, and then later on down in my text I have it underlined right here. So as we go through my blog post here, you can see on the page I've got all the SEO on here. I've got the picture with the image and everything else. So I hope you liked this video. I hope it'll help you out with some basic on-page SEO that you can do with your next blog post or your next website page or anything like that. Make sure you give me a thumbs up here on YouTube, or leave a comment, or anything else. And if you have any questions, ask me. You can go to bethstowers.com, and you can go to this post and you can comment on my page right here, or you can use my contact page if you have any questions. So I hope to see you, And I hope you have a great day and have fun with all your SEO efforts. Bye.